house. Deliver pizza to the same house at the house. Wait, what? Deliver pizza to the house that has the same roof color as your pizza box. Wait, no! You know what's another crazy tornado? This is another crazy tornado. By my calculations, those are the only two valuable left. Oh, freaking no! Ah, get the gems. Got the brown, no! Ah! So close, too close for comfort. No, I swear to God, that was lag, bro. That was serious. Ooh, give me the hot potato. Oh, give me that hot potato. Oh, come on, give me the hot potato. Oh, ooh, now you have to have what? I gave it to you. Don't. I can't see because of you. Move it, bro. Move it. You made me.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
What the heck was that? You guys have sound, I don't, so it was probably something funny.
I like dancing.
Oh, wow. Oh, I know what that was. It was like, I like trains. Time to play Death Run. This has to stop the runners from, okay. From reaching the end. Oh no, don't do this to me. Ooh, what you trying to do? Oh, you also have this. I hate you! Ooh, okay. I feel like I'm gonna regret going this side, I swear to God. Oh yeah, what'd I say? Let's do this one. Ooh. Whatever, it's not giving me good vibes. I think I should have actually gone there. Oh no. Maybe I shouldn't. Alright, there's two ways. I did it. I have 18 seconds, so I'm trying to basically remember. So we'll go right here. I think we'll go here, and possibly over here. I think we skipped that one. Ooh, we have 6 seconds. I remember that one was. Let's go trick or treating! Yay! Oh, what's up in there? Yes, let's do it. Should we knock on his door? The worst thing that could happen is ghost answer. It's gonna be a ghost answer. Oh, poor her. Trick or treat! Woo! Ghost answered. Watch out for its attack. Ooh, no, bro. No, I get to be here. All right. Let's go. Look at that nice picture. London, the chef is making the ingredients to bake. Go get them. Get the ingredients. Sir, we got some. What is this? Powder? I don't know. I don't know how to bake a cake. For your information. Guys, it's just simple. It's so simple. Okay. It's time for a trivia question. What is 10 plus 2? Okay, let's see. What's 1 plus 1? 2, then added 2 zeros. 200. Yeah. You know, if I didn't have a calculator on me right now, I would guess it's 11. Just don't fight, guys, please, don't do that, just don't fight, just don't do that. No, please don't do this. Please don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Just don't fight. Just don't fight, dude. Guys, don't do this. Little do they know. I just want them to lose health. So then Oh! Alright, get ready. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, here's my game plan. Ruin everyone. So look at this, bro. Oh. I forgot that it just immediately falls. Yes! Alright, got them. Yeah! Alright, it's cousin versus cousin. I'll take that. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Okay guys, that's gonna have to wrap up today's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on all post notification bells so you can never miss a brand new video. And if you want to see an old don't press the button video, make sure to check link in the description and the pinned comments down below. And of course, join my Roblox group to support the Heat team and just hang around there. It's not too much of a big deal, but also join my Discord server where we can talk and chat as well. Add me, sure, we might talk a little, but yeah, just a little. Okay, and yeah, I'll see you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.